Trux stainless steel battery and toolbox cover set for Peterbilt is sure to give your truck a more modern, cleaner look with their rounded edges and 304 mirrored finish. No more bolting and unbolting. Accessing your battery or toolbox has never been easier, thanks to the heavy-duty OE-style rubber quick T-latch system offering the quickest removal on the market. These stylish box covers are engineered to fit over the OEM box's existing framework and replace the lid on your battery box. They're built with 14-gauge heavy-duty 304 mirrored stainless steel and have reinforced bracing in all the typical stress areas. These sleek, rounded covers are available as a kit with one battery box cover and one toolbox cover, maintaining a smooth, uniform look. Cover up your rust and refresh your truck with this battery and toolbox cover set. Another original by Trux. For more information or to find a local distributor, please visit our website at truxaccessories.com.